Hey everyone! Have you ever worried about hackers on public Wi-Fi? Or maybe you're tired of annoying ads, trackers, and websites collecting your personal data? Well, today I'm reviewing a VPN that's trusted by millions worldwide, ExpressVPN. We'll look at its speed, security, features, pricing, and whether it's worth your money in 2026. Let's jump right in. ExpressVPN is one of the most popular VPN services on the planet. It helps protect your online privacy by encrypting your internet connection and hiding your IP address. But ExpressVPN isn't just a VPN anymore. Now it includes VPN protection, password manager, email privacy tools, identity protection features, ad and tracker blocking, private AI tools. It's becoming a complete digital privacy suite. Now let's talk about the feature, lightning fast performance. One thing ExpressVPN is famous for is speed. Thanks to its proprietary Lightway protocol, websites load quickly, videos stream smoothly, and online gaming feels responsive. No one wants a VPN that slows everything down. Fortunately, ExpressVPN is designed to keep performance fast while maintaining strong security. Plus, you get access to servers in 105 countries, giving you plenty of connection options worldwide. Security features that stand out. Let's talk protection. ExpressVPN offers military-grade encryption, strict no-logs policy, internet kill switch, private DNS, split tunneling, malware blocking, ad blocking, parental controls. These features help keep your browsing activity private and your devices protected. Whether you're at a coffee shop, airport, hotel, or using home Wi-Fi, your connection stays encrypted. Protect multiple devices. Got multiple gadgets? No problem. ExpressVPN allows protection on up to 12 devices simultaneously. It supports Windows, Mac OS, Android, iPhone and iPad, Linux, Apple TV, Fire TV, routers, gaming consoles. One subscription can cover almost everything you use daily. Bonus privacy tools. This is where ExpressVPN gets interesting. Beyond VPN protection, you also get ExpressKeys, a secure password manager that stores unlimited passwords and supports autofill and two-factor authentication. ExpressMailGuard. Create email aliases to reduce spam and protect your real email address. Identity Defender. Monitor and protect your personal information online. ExpressAI. A privacy-focused AI platform designed to keep conversations confidential. These extras add serious value beyond traditional VPN services. Great for streaming and gaming. Many users choose ExpressVPN for entertainment. Stream content smoothly, enjoy low-latency gaming, reduce ISP throttling, connect through global servers for a more open internet experience. The large worldwide network helps provide reliable connections wherever you are. Pricing and current deal. Right now, there's a special deal available. ExpressVPN Advanced Plan. 1 year $49, save 44%. That's a solid bundle for anyone serious about privacy and security. After reviewing everything, ExpressVPN remains one of the strongest VPN choices available in 2026. Fast speeds, excellent security, user-friendly apps, powerful privacy tools, reliable global server network. If you want more than just a basic VPN and prefer an all-in-one privacy solution, ExpressVPN is definitely worth considering. Check the link in the description to grab the latest ExpressVPN deal. If this review helped you, smash that like button. Have questions about ExpressVPN? Drop them in the comments below. Subscribe for more software reviews, tech deals, and online privacy tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.